What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this gorgeous looking AMG GLA 45S that we have right in front of us in mountain gray, and it does look very aggressive and nice, man. I think a lot of people, they do prefer AMG cars. GLA is the go-to car if you're looking for a higher performance car. If you don't want such a big car like a GLC, the GLA does its job. Now let's take a walk around before we get right to the interior. Let's start off with the front. You get your amazing multi-beam LED light system that we have right here. Amazing black finishing that we have, mixture with some chrome finish, and your DRLs are going to pop up right there. Amazing. Now for the hood, as you can see, we got some lines popping down right there to make it be aggressive as it can get. I love the badging, the Alpha Tabak badging right there. And also you get your amazing grills that are vertically designed like in such a way. You get your 360 camera right here. You got a Mercedes-Benz logo right there. Number plate goes right there. You get your black finishing of a front lip at the bottom right here to make it be sporty and aggressive as you can get. I like that. I love these touches that they have done. Got some air intake happening over here, and also you get your matte finish with some black lining right here, and also this side finish over here. So it does look very cool and very aggressive. Very nice. Now for the side profile right here, you get your amazing tires. As you can see, tire size we get is 255/35 R21, AMG wording right there on the wheel. You get this multi-spoke black finish together with some silver lining on the outside. You get your AMG calipers right there, and also you get drill disc brakes over there on the inside. So braking wise, it does brake very well. You get your Turbo 4matic Plus wording right here, looking good. Side looks amazing. You get your black finishing right there for the door. And of course, my favorite is where the mirror doesn't follow the body color. So it is a black mirror. You got some matte texture right here. Even the railings at the side are blacked out, together with the top roof railing as well, in this matte texture like finish. And you do get a glass roof at the top. Fantastic. Now let's open up the doors. Chrome door handles, chrome finish. Love the badging right there for the Mercedes-Benz badge. Damn cool. You also get your amazing red stitching that we get right here. Some Mercedes-Benz started design at the door side. Memory seats, you got 3 seat adjustments over here. Heated seat, you got your handle to open up the doors. You got your handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. You have your window adjustments over here. You get your storage compartment over there. Burmester sound system right down here. Love this microfiber like Alcantara finish that's happening over on the inside as well. You get your AMG wording right there for the side plaque. You got your AMG wording on the carpet. And the seats are fantastic. These are Recaro seats, so definitely you can adjust the lumbar support, the side bolsters, to make it be as aggressive as you can get while you are taking sharp turns. Hugs you damn well, man. This and over here feels really good. So for the front dashboard, you get your Mercedes-Benz started design over here. These are your ambient lightings, I believe. And then of course you get your air vents right here. Burmester sound system, fabric lining at the top. Looks good. Your whole glass roof, I like how they have that another glass right at the back there, so it's a panoramic kind of design. You can even open up the glass on top. That's cool. SOS call button over here, and you get your other lighting adjustments over here and there. You get your mirror over there. Cool. Love the screen, very clean, very small. Engine start button. You get your climate controls over here. Wireless charging down here. USB-C connectivity to charge or to do whatever you need to. Cup holder right here, place to keep some stuff. Volume adjustments, driving mode, and also inside here you got your 2 Type-C connectivities, compartment storage. Damn cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in red. Legroom is fantastic. A lot of legroom. Car looks good. So let's get right down and let's just move it forward a little bit because I have not adjusted the rear for me to sit in comfortably just yet. But yeah, that should be okay. And let's take a look at the rear doors. Okay, red stitching right here, nice. Burmester tweeter right there, speaker right here, compartment storage down here, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door, window adjustments. You get your door handle to open up. Now the inside, let's get right in, take a look. Amazing finish for a rear seat. I like what's happening over here. The side openings over here, damn cool. Legroom is absolutely good. This is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. You get your seat belts in red, and of course the design like finish with this red stitching over here, and that looks damn good. You get your air vent adjustments over here. You get your 2 Type-C charging over here, compartment storage down there, another small minor one over here. The view at the back here, amazing. Love the glass roof that's happening right on top. So let's jump right into the center and take a look. So headroom is once again good. Let's jump right down. Take a look at the rear wheels. Now once again, I've not adjusted that front seat for this one, right? Over there I've adjusted, but take a look. Even though we did push back like this, still there's plenty of leg room for me to move around without feeling congested. So these are the rear wheels of the GLA 45S. Tire size is 255/35 R21. So multi-spoke rear wheels. You got your drill disc brakes for the back as well. Red calipers right there. Love the silver lining on the outside together with the AMG wording right there as well. Damn cool. I like it. Let's take a look at the rear part. The black wing that we have right on top right here. Very sporty, very nice. Brake lights are located right there. You got your GLA 45S wording right here on the right. You got the AMG wording right here on the left. Number plate goes right there, damn style. You got your chrome finish of a badging. You got this part right here. This looks nice. I like how they put that there. A lot of chrome happening, you know, damn cool. Love the black finishing at the side right here. AMG wording right there on the exhaust tailpipes. Looks damn cool. And of course you get this aggressive looking rear diffuser. Looks damn good. Let's open that up. Take a look. Boot space is fantastic. Underneath here, perhaps, let's see what's hiding. Yep, there you go. Your subwoofer together with your tow hook, your compressor, and your sealant, the gel, for you to seal up the hole if your tire is basically flat. Compartment storage, and the seats. Let me just fold down one of it over here so you guys can see what's the space like. Absolutely spacious. How about this side from here? And what about one more from here? Amazing room that you guys are getting. You can even remove this if you don't want it there, but for a performance car it gives you this amount of space. Is amazing. So let's open up this and take a look at the driver's side of things. So you get your Mercedes-Benz finish right here. You get the 3 memory seats. You got your heated seat, your handle to open up the door, unlock and lock. You got your window adjustments over here. You have your child lock for the windows, the rear windows, as well as your side mirror adjustments. You get your boot opening and closing, compartment storage down here, Burmester speaker right there. Looks really good. AMG side black. You get your AMG wording on the carpet, sport pedals, the brake and accelerator, and of course the red lining on the seats, because these are AMG bucket seats, right? So it's damn cool, man. Love these seats. So let's get right in and take a look at the steering wheel. Suspension adjustment is over here. These are your driving mode selectors, and of course you get your pedal shifts. Absolutely huge and nice. Love the finishing touches of the steering wheel with some space right there to see the hand at the back. As I mentioned, climate controls and whatnot. Does look good. Very, very good. So I've not adjusted the front seats, but yeah, seatbelt is black. Sorry, seatbelt is red. But yeah, very nice, dude. Super nice. Head-up display is given as well. Damn cool. Now let's turn on the lights, handbrake, and of course this is a fog lamp. Let's take a look at the front. Lights are already turned on. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front like that, and take a look. The DRLs are here. These are 2 lights are on already. Very nice indeed. Now let's take a look at the back part of the car by folding this down, and so you guys can see how does this look like. So you do get your tail light over here. Very nice as well. Now let's turn on the hazard lights and side mirror over here. And of course on this side you get the whole long piece to be changed into the signal light, while these two maintain. Or maybe you can see clearer over here. These two still maintain, so it looks good. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycling Garage PJ. This is where I'm at. The top floor here has tons of performance cars because this is the AMG section. Downstairs they have all their other cars. As you can see, plenty of other cars displayed right there, down there, including the bottom floor. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.